Hello everyone! Today, I will guide you through a quick and easy tutorial on how to transform this hard eyes green screen image into a sticker. And this technique can be especially useful if you want to personalize your videos by adding your preferred stickers, or even if you want to create eye-catching thumbnails. So let's not delay any further and get right into the video. So first off, let's go ahead and download the green screen image from Google Image. Search up hard eyes green screen. Then go to Image. After that, find the photo that you prefer, then download it to your device. After you finish downloading, go to CapCut. Import your video. Then go to Overlay. Click on Add Overlay. Go to Photos. Import the green screen image. Then go to Cutout. Click on Chroma key. Drag your color picker to the green side. Then press Intensity and put it to 20. Then minimize the sticker. And that's it. There you have your own sticker in CapCut. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and I'll update you guys for more. Peace.